Filet Knife Buying Guide, the one feature that makes all the difference. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on choosing the perfect filet knife. Whether you're an avid angler, a home chef who enjoys preparing seafood, or a professional cook, selecting the right filet knife can dramatically transform your fish preparation experience. Filet knives might seem like specialized tools, but their importance cannot be overstated for anyone who regularly works with fish. The difference between a mediocre and exceptional filet knife isn't just about price. It's about specific design elements that enhance performance, reduce effort, and improve results. Today, we're cutting through the marketing hype to reveal the single most crucial feature that separates truly effective filet knives from disappointing options. This key feature makes more difference than brand name, price point, or even materials in many cases. Before diving into that critical feature, let's establish what makes filet knives different from other kitchen knives. Filet knives are characterized by their long, narrow, flexible blades, designed specifically for the precise task of separating fish flesh from bone and skin. This specialized design allows for smooth, controlled cuts that maximize yield and minimize waste. Standard filet knives typically range from 6 to 9 inches in length, with blade thickness between 1.5 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters. This thin profile enables the necessary flexibility for following the natural contours of fish. The handles are designed for wet grip performance, as these knives are often used in slippery conditions. Now, the one feature that truly separates exceptional filet knives from mediocre options: blade flexibility calibrated to purpose. Blade flexibility is the defining characteristic of a quality filet knife, but it's not as simple as more flexible is better. The optimal degree of flexibility depends entirely on the specific fish you'll be filleting most frequently. This nuanced understanding of flex is what manufacturers rarely explain clearly and what makes the biggest difference in performance. For small to medium freshwater fish like trout, crappie, and perch, a highly flexible blade, often called extra flex by manufacturers, provides the maneuverability needed to navigate small bones and thin fillets. These blades typically measure 1.5 millimeters to 1.8 millimeters in thickness and visibly bend under light pressure. For medium-sized fish like bass, walleye, and snapper, a moderately flexible blade offers the ideal balance between control and maneuverability. These medium flex blades usually measure 1.8 millimeters to 2.0 millimeters thick and provide enough give to follow contours while maintaining precision. For larger fish like salmon, tuna, and halibut, a stiffer blade, sometimes called semi-flex, provides the necessary control and power for working through thicker fillets. These blades typically measure 2.0 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters and offer less visible flex, but still provide enough give to separate meat from bone effectively. This crucial relationship between blade flexibility and fish size explains why many anglers and chefs keep multiple filet knives in their collection. No single flexibility profile excels across all fish sizes and types. The most disappointing experiences with filet knives almost always stem from mismatched flexibility. Using a highly flexible blade on large fish results in poor control and jagged cuts, while using a stiff blade on small fish makes precise work nearly impossible. Now that we understand this critical feature, let's examine other important factors that complement the right flexibility profile. Blade material significantly impacts performance and maintenance requirements. High-carbon stainless steel, with designations like 440C, AUS 8, or 8CR13MOV, offers the best balance between edge retention, corrosion resistance, and reasonable maintenance for most users. Premium options may include higher-end steels like VG10 or AUS10, which hold edges longer but come with higher price tags. Avoid basic stainless steel blades without specific steel type designations, as these typically lack the edge retention needed for effective filleting. For saltwater environments, prioritize corrosion resistance with models specifically designed for marine use. Handle design is particularly important for filet knives, which are often used in wet, slippery conditions. Quality handles feature textured, non-slip materials like rubberized polymers, textured G10, or specially treated wood composites. The handle should provide a secure grip when wet and include some form of guard to prevent the hand from slipping onto the blade. Some professional-grade filet knives feature handles with antimicrobial properties that resist odor and bacteria, a valuable feature for frequent use. Handles should balance comfort for extended use with secure grip in all conditions. Blade length selection depends primarily on the size of fish you typically prepare. 6-inch blades work well for small panfish and trout. 7-inch blades are versatile for medium freshwater and smaller saltwater species. 8-inch blades handle larger freshwater fish and medium saltwater species. 9-inch and longer blades are specialized for large saltwater species. For most home users, a 7 or 8-inch blade provides the best versatility if you can only choose one length. Commercial users often require multiple lengths for different applications. Edge design also matters significantly. Quality fillet knives feature a fine, often hand-honed edge between 13 to 17 degrees per side. This acute angle enables the clean slicing action needed for precise filleting. Some specialized models feature graduated bevels or modified edges for specific tasks like skinning or descaling. The spine thickness and taper also influence performance. Well-designed fillet knives feature a thicker spine near the handle that gradually tapers toward the tip, providing strength where needed while maintaining flexibility along the cutting edge. Based on expert reviews and chef recommendations across different usage scenarios, here are our specific recommendations based on user needs. For recreational anglers handling mainly smaller freshwater species, Rapala Fishin' Filet Knife, 6 inches, offers excellent flexibility, grip security in wet conditions, and good edge retention at a reasonable price point around $25 to $30. For versatile all-around use with medium freshwater and saltwater fish, Bubba Blade Tapered Flex, 7 inches, provides the perfect balance of flexibility and control with exceptional corrosion resistance and grip security, though at a higher price point of $50 to $60. For professionals or serious enthusiasts handling larger species, Wüsthof Pro Fish Fillet, 9 inches, delivers semi-flex performance with premium materials and exceptional durability at a premium price point of $80 to $100. For budget-conscious buyers still wanting quality performance, Dexter Russell Sani Safe, 8 inches, offers commercial-grade reliability, proper flexibility, and NSF certification at an accessible price point around $30 to $35. The most important advice we can offer: match your knife's flexibility profile to the fish you prepare most often. This single consideration will improve your results more than any other factor, regardless of budget. Proper maintenance extends the life and performance of any filet knife. Always rinse with fresh water after use, especially in saltwater environments. Dry thoroughly before storage and maintain the edge with regular honing and occasional sharpening. Quality filet knives reward this basic care with years of reliable service. We hope this guide helps you select the perfect filet knife for your specific needs and fishing preferences. What type of fish do you typically prepare, and which filet knife do you use? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical kitchen tool insights that focus on what really matters for performance. Thanks for watching.